Maya! Shh! I am on a top-secret spy mission to locate the missing chocolate chip cookie. The wall copying my dance moves! My secret clone is compromising my spy mission!
That is not a secret clone, Alex. It's just your shadow. A shadow is the secret dark shape made when a solid object blocks a beam of traveling light. Light is super fast, and it only travels in straight lines. If a solid object, like your body, gets in the way, the light can't bend around you. It gets blocked, leaving a dark shape behind. If we move the dinosaur closer to the flashlight, will its shadow on the wall get bigger or smaller? Point to your guess. If I hide in this thick cardboard armor, the Wiggle clone can't find me. Out of sight, out of mind. Oh, Alex, cardboard is solid too. Because you are closer to the light source, you are blocking more straight-line light rays, making your shadow grow giant. Give me some supersonic shadow facts, Maya. Fact 1. Shadows are speed demons. Because they are made of blocked light, your shadow moves at the exact speed of light. Faster than a rocket. Fact 2. A solar eclipse is just the moon passing in front of the sun, casting a giant, round, cosmic shadow onto Earth. A space shadow. Fact 3. On the moon, shadows are pitch black. Because there is no air or atmosphere to scatter light, there's no bounce light to soften the dark. Block the light, make it tall, shadows grow and shrink so small. Your mission is to make one funny hand shadow animal tonight. And if you want to see how scattering blue light waves paints our sky, click our sky physics hit right here. Keep exploring, super spies. Bye!